Am I streaming? Yeah, cool. Okay, so today I have a actually a very specific agenda. So today I would like to configure my Neovim. Neovim should look like Neovim with NvChad. I want to do this in my home manager, in home.nix. I want to do this without just using NvChad. So that means that I'm doing it from scratch, but I will still use their other plugins. Okay, so that means I need a plugin list. So if we go NvChad, so pretty. Okay. So we'll need to look at its starter config. That's quite a load of Lua. Okay. There's a plugin list. Where don't we start? I say indent blank line. Adds indentation guides to Neovim. Okay. It's your favorite plugin manager. I need to get a plugin manager then. I wonder if we do my NixOS. I wonder if they have Neovim Home Manager. Okay. So programs.neovim.plugins. We'll do with pkgs.vim plugins probably. pkgs.vim plugins. Okay. Chad, I could just, it'd be that easy. Let's see. Okay, so we will what's this called? Indent blank line. Indent blank line Nvim. Okay, cool. So from indent blank line to Nvim, which is indeed here. Okay, so we're going to open up console. We're going to cd. Actually, have cd set as an alias, so we could actually just cd. So for instance, if I wanted to, normally you would cd the .files/wallpaper. But if I wanted to, I could cd wallpaper. See? And it automatically finds it. Because I'm actually, on the hood I'm using Z. But I just have cd mapped to Z. Because that's really convenient. Because I don't have to muscle memory anything funny. Okay. What do I have to do? We will cd .files. Oh, nice. It like autofills it, so to speak. Okay. We will nvim home.nix, and then vim plugin indent blank line.nvim. Okay. With pkgs.vim plugins. So currently I have Neovim in here, but actually I should have it as a program. See, there's Oxide. Programs.neovim equals enable equals true, plugins equals with pkgs.vim plugins, and what does that look like? So then we want indent. Okay, what is the actual name I should use for this? Indent-blankline-nvim. I'll try that. Indent blankline nvim. I spy with my little eyes a typo. If we go here. Such is mutually exclusive with configure. That's odd. I don't know why that would be. Oh, I guess I have extra config. Okay. So now we will save that. Switch to flake is home manager switch -- flake dot. Hopefully it doesn't get annoyed. It's annoyed. Okay. So somewhere in here Programs at Neovim. Yeah, okay. Here, I forgot that. That's fine. Unidentified variable, okay. So that's not actually what that's called, so maybe that's there's indent blank line nvim lua versus indent blank line nvim. They both seem to point to the same place. They literally point to the same place. Vim plugin dash indent dash blank line dot nvim. And because it's a .NET, we need vim plugin dash indent dash blank line dot nvim. Switch to flake. It's gonna be annoyed at that. Yeah, it probably wants actual quotes. Like, honestly, I'm just guessing at this syntax, but I'm guessing it wants actual quotes. Error. What a descriptive error message. It's funny, I get this one all the time. Oh, yeah. A definition for option programs at neovim.plugins is not of type package or submodule. Okay. Oh yeah, that's a package. So that's not what we want. NixOS NvIM plugins. With home manager, enable equals true, extra config, super easy. Configuration. Neovim dot extra config. Installing plugins. Indent blank line nvim lua. We should have no problem here. Indent blank line nvim lua. Switch to flake. It's gonna pull an error again. Maybe it doesn't want uppercase. Oops, I just hit page up. I hate that, they're so close to the arrow keys in this computer. Switch to flake. Right. The reason, well, I don't know why this is taking forever, but the reason I'm building NvChad by hand is because I honestly don't really like it that much. Like, it has a lot of features I don't want, but I really like the theme switching, for instance. Like, I like some of the features, so I want to have ultimate configurability and do it by hand. Also, I need to update the sources of my flake. And switch back to it. Okay. Nvim home.nix. Indent blank line nvim lua. Okay. See, I don't actually know what that does. It's occurred to me. Indent blank line nvim lua. Let's go to the home page, see what it's like. The plugin adds indentation guides. It uses Neovim's virtual text feature, no conceal. To start it, I need to call a function to start it. Plugin requires the latest stable version of Neovim. ibl.setup. To initialize and configure it, run the setup function. Optionally, you can pass a configuration table to the setup function. Okay, so then if I go to, I should have plugins equals, and then I should have extra config equals there. Require, in quotes, ibl.setup. Require ibl.setup. Do I need, like, no. I forget how simple Lua is. It's like Python simple. So, no, I don't want to push it. Okay. Whatever. You do you. I want to switch to flake. Okay. Okay, so that should be pretty good. Nvim home.nix. Error detected while processing init.lua. Error while calling Lua chunk. In function not an editor command. Okay. So where does it want me to require ibl.setup? Does it want me to like just run that here? Yeah, like that's not. Where is this supposed to go? Okay. IBL.setup. So maybe that's what it wants? I don't know much about Neovim. Okay, so now, if we open Neovim, it once again doesn't like, not an editor command. Okay. Let's go next. Indentation. Neovim, NixOS wiki. Installing plugins. Packages.vim packages. And then the name of the plugin. If you only add the plugin, you can add the configuration as described above. That's configuration for the plugin itself. Oh, so that's probably where it needs to be. So it's probably not in extra config, that's probably in plugin equals in like line nvim.lua config equals, right? Config equals and then asterisk in quotes. IBL.setup. That ought to work. Switch to flake. It might be annoyed at that semicolon. Yeah, it is annoyed at that semicolon. Why is Vim so irritating? Switch to flake. Now you'll run fine. Ideally. Nvim home.nix. Okay, I'm going to nvim home.nix, error detected. And we'll call chunk. IVL.setup is not an editor command. Honestly, let's just Google that. NixOS. Okay. Init.vim. Neovim. We want to know about, I don't know, initialization. Okay. Gets the shell, processes arguments. Load user config. Oh, I have a vir. That's exciting. Let me know if you would like to do something more interesting. I'm currently working on pretty much building NvChad from scratch because I don't like some of the features, and so I've decided this will be easier. It's not going to be easier, but pretty much what I have right now is I have programs.neovim, I've enabled it, and I'm having difficulty with this plugin because the plugin indent blank line nvim lua says that I need that line, and yet whenever I open Neovim, it gets annoyed at that line, and I'm unsure why. I don't know what's up with that. So I'm currently trying to figure it out with like the Neovim documentation, the NixOS wiki and all that nonsense. I don't know too much about Neovim, which probably ain't very good. Okay. What else? The .config. We want to see cd nvim init.lua. Okay. Quit bang, we will cd dot files, cd dot files. We will then home.x. We'll just abort. Close that, go here. Okay. So for this, require IBL setup. Require IBL dot setup. Switch to flake. We should have no problems here. Famous last words. So hopefully we run it, and it works. It doesn't work. Not an editor command. Do I need to start the line with like a Lua or something? Because I know literally nothing about how Neovim works, which is kind of a problem. Okay. Home.nix, you gonna work now. Oh, it worked. Oh, this is fantastic. I literally just needed to start the line with Lua. That's it. It looks pretty ugly, honestly. Oh, would you look at that? That's phenomenal. I got to go in and see what their was looking like. Okay. Lua plugins init.lua. Configs. Okay, so I'm not seeing much in the way of configuration here, interestingly. Lua, Chad RC, because it's mostly just a lot of disabled plugins. My question is, honestly, NvChad, how does, what is their base 46 plugin? It should be used along with NvChad for the best experience. Non-NvChad users can have the NvConfig module on the path. Okay. We're just gonna not do that for now, honestly. Like, I don't want Nvim auto pairs. NvChad's UI plugin. Lightweight and performant UI plugin for NvChad, providing the following: status line with 4 themes, tabuff line, buffers per tab, NV dash, dashboard, NV cheat sheet, nice, basic LSP signature, LSP renamer window, term module. I don't know what any of that means. Okay. Let's look at the configuration. That's a lot of uncommented configuration. Okay. That's fine. We can dig through uncommented configuration. It's Neovim, and then we want NvChad. NvChad. Vim plugin NvChad UI. Plugin equals Vim plugin NvChad UI. Vim plugin NvChad UI. Config equals. Let's go. We indented again with this one. There's a lot of config. I should get a clipboard set up, actually. That needs to be on my to-do list. So we also have clipboard. Also in clipboard in clipboard in Neovim. I'm just gonna write that in case something happens. Neovim nightly. Wow. I really don't need that. Okay. Vim plugin NvChad UI. NvChad's UI plugin. So here are a lot of things. What is this? First off, what is this? -- at type chatrc config. Local options equals return vim.tbl deep extend vim.tbl underscore deep underscore extend force options require chatrc. Force options require chatrc. Very quick. Switch to flake. It's gonna have irritants with me. Syntax error, unexpected $curly. That means that it has beef. So now it should technically be formatted fine. I might need a comma, because Lua is a little confusing and has commas sprinkled about. It's funny, I'm doing like a really good job at not actually learning anything. Vim plugin NvChad UI, it doesn't like that. Why doesn't it like Vim plugin NvChad UI? My NixOS. NvChad. Vim plugins, NvChad-UI, that's all I need. Okay. We switch to flake. And hopefully it wants to work this time. This is where it gets annoyed to some of my Vim syntax. Which should all be in Lua, so it should all work. What issue does it have? Okay. I don't understand Lua at all, apparently. Okay. This work? Oh, I know the problem I'm having. Clear, neofetch. Clear. Neofetch. Do as I say. You know? Okay. I will be back. I will be back at 1452 UTC, top right corner. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Okay. It's funny, I'm only using 4 gigabytes of RAM, but my computer is very warm. I wonder if there's a temperature flag. New fetch help. CPU underscore temp. CPU underscore temp. Call me blind, but I can't find that. I will be entirely honest. I think that's something I might have to go into the settings to change. I don't know. Yeah, so we go clear. And the issue I have is that Nvim packages using config.vim instead of init.lua. Init.vim to init.lua. NixOS, Neovim, NixOS Neovim, init.lua. Neovim Lua configuration. That's what I want. Okay. Manager. Neovim.nix. Okay, that's a lot of work. We want Neovim home manager. Yeah, so this supports extra Lua config. Can I do, if we look, NixOS Lua config Neovim plugins. Keeping Lua Neovim. Neovim plugins NixOS. Neovim and NixOS don't seem to be star-crossed lovers. Okay. Okay, I'm using that's actually a really stupid idea, the way I'm using Home Manager for everything, but still using a flake. I guess it's fine. Whenever something is in the store, the flake handles making sure it's the right version when someone else uses the flake. But if it's not in the store, I need to remember to use the flake to make sure that it grabs the correct version. One moment. Lo siento. NixOS, Neovim, plugin, and Lua. We might be able to just, honestly, just home.nix. We literally might just be able to guess, so we could do Lua config. Switch to flake. Programs.neovim.plugins. Definition 1, entry 2. mynixos.com. Programs.neovim.plugins. That's probably a better idea. I need to stop the stream here.